Hi, I'm State Senator Mark Huizenga, representing Michigan's 30th Senate District. The U.S. is the second largest exporter of manufactured goods in the world. I'm honored to represent a district known for its cutting-edge manufacturing. Michigan's manufacturing sector continues to contribute to economic growth, creating high-quality jobs, and it makes our state a great place to live and work. One of these innovative manufacturers is Buell Motorcycle, located right here in Cascade Township. Since opening its doors, Buell Motorcycle's mission has been to innovate and to bring new experience to motorcycle riders across the world. The staff here at Buell are dedicated to creating quality products that give the rider the best experience. They create bikes that are hardy, durable, and insanely powerful, yet continue to push the boundaries for innovation, aesthetics, and efficiency. In the last 2 months, the Michigan Economic Development Corporation has granted Buell $4 million through their state small business credit. This initiative will help the working capital and help the company's development with their tooling, equipment, and Buell's new Super Cruiser motorcycle line. Join me as I tour this amazing company and learn more about the exciting work that they're doing here today.
Well, thanks for coming in today, appreciate it. So Buell Motorcycle Company was started in 1983, and it is a global brand that was grown initially under Harley-Davidson, and I acquired parts of the company in 2016, and we were able to get the brand back in 2020. So we brought it back to Grand Rapids. We felt that West Michigan is a great place to grow an OEM manufacturing company, and we're the only motorcycle company in Grand Rapids, Michigan, or in Michigan, and we're growing Buell back to a global brand.
Thank you for bringing it back to Michigan.
Yeah, we think Michigan's a great place. It's the motor state. We've got a great motor to start our relaunch with. So we have been building an amazing team of engineers, manufacturing people, supply chain.
Well, you know, a lot of times if you talk to the average consumer resident of the state of Michigan or anybody in the United States, they think manufacturing's dead. And you know, Quentin, in your role as a director, you know that's not true, but I think that's one of the things we really want to showcase today is that manufacturing is king, and we still do a ton of it in Michigan. And in fact, if you look at statistically, the United States is the second largest exporter of manufactured goods in the entire world. So when we see this happening right here in Michigan, but it's not just manufacturing, it's innovation. And I think what makes West Michigan special is all these different entities that come together to manufacture different components. They'll do milling or what have you. But like, there's a lot of highly complex parts here, whether it's harnesses or millings or whatever. But a lot of those resources are right here in West Michigan.
Michigan's just a great state. I mean, we got outdoors, you've got a lot of sports, a lot of adventure, a lot of fun things for families to do, and it's always been known as the motor state, right? And people in Michigan appreciate a high quality product, a high performance product, and we're excited to bring Buell back to Michigan and relaunch it as a global brand that has the highest performance motorcycle built in the United States.
How about if we take a little time and go through your factory and you can show us a little bit about how things are going?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right, awesome, thanks.
We came to Michigan because we felt it was the best place for us to grow this company. I truly believe that. You have the resources of the big three, you got the resources of the state of Michigan that wants to support those jobs, support manufacturing, and not only manufacturing, engineering. There's major fuel tank suppliers right here in West Michigan. There's major frame suppliers right here in West Michigan. We've got plastic suppliers on the east side of the state, plastic suppliers on the west side of the state. We've got our engine cases that are now going to be coming from Grand Rapids, so you have some really major components on the new bike that we've been able to resource here in Michigan. So that's exciting for us.
Now, say I'm grateful for the senator connecting us, because this really is emblematic of the economic development strategy, Make It in Michigan.
Yeah.
I mean, and we really want to make sure that people are focused on people, places, and projects. And this kind of speaks to that. The fact that we had a risk-taking entrepreneur who took what others didn't see a vision for. You gave life to it. I mean, this is not an overnight. This is 12 years of blood, sweat, and prayers, success, and now you're on the precipice. I think this speaks to your leadership, Senator. Always thinking about common sense, bipartisan solutions to really help us at MEDC work with risk-taking entrepreneurs to help you further your growth and create profitable growth for all Michiganders.
The support of the state and the MEDC, I really am grateful for it. I mean, I would recommend the state of Michigan to anyone who's starting up a manufacturing business, is trying to grow engineering, that has products that they want to design and manufacture. I think there's not a better state in the whole country than Michigan for that. We've got the resources, we've got the talent, we've got the people, and the MEDC's support that we're getting is perfectly timed. It's just the right fit. We're going to use it carefully to grow the company. And the MEDC understood that right away. They can understand the story of what the company is doing. They can understand the team that we've built. And this is more than just one brand and one person. I mean, this is really about the team that we've been building here and the team that we're going to continue to build here in West Michigan. The people, the efficiency, the way people think in Michigan is really manufacturing minded, and you can't replicate it anywhere else.
I think there's no question. West Michigan, nice, people, the innovation, but you know, the part that you didn't talk about but emphasize, I think, is the engineering and troubleshooting and the way people find solutions to problems.
Yeah.
Let's face it, manufacturing engine is super complicated.
Yeah.
But the resources to make that work here, that's pretty cool to say that's right here in our hometown.
Yeah. This is the new bike. This is the Buell Super Cruiser. This is our concept bike. And right now, we unveiled this in mid-February of 2023. And our orders, the media went nuts, the fan base went nuts. Really what we did is we combined the performance of our sport bike with the American styling of a cruiser. And we unveiled the highest performance, lightest weight cruiser that'll be on the market next year.
Now I'm going to ask the kid question.
Yeah.
Can you turn one of these? Are they able to be turned on?
Is this
or no?
one charged? Huh? Oh yeah? Okay.
I mean, come on, you can't be at a motorcycle without hearing the roar. Come on.
All right, I got it. Yeah. We've also designed a touring bike, which is really a European style design. So this would compete more directly with BMW.
Yes, I was thinking.
All right, it's got the bags, the touring bags, it's got a windscreen, it's got wind protection, it's got a seat that's set up for more comfort. The rider position and the legs are a little bit lower, so you're in a more comfortable position. If someone wants to go across the country, this is a great bike for that.
What's your favorite place to ride here in Michigan? Or if you would recommend someone to sort of take
Yeah.
a Buell and just sort of fully get to experience everything that you designed it to be, where would you recommend?
Performance testing, is that what you're talking about?
Performance testing,
Yeah.
thank you.
Well, there is a real
said
famous
it.
ride that a lot of people do,
Okay.
which they'll typically come off the Lake Express
Okay.
and then ride up the coast and then ride over the bridge, head into the UP, along the UP, and then they hit Wisconsin for a little bit and then get back on the boat. So
That's
a
right.
lot of people come in from all over the country to do that ride.
This is literally the manufacturing that's going on right behind us here, isn't
Yeah.
it? I mean,
Yes.
where you're taking these components, you're assembling it. I'm just looking at these columns, and you've got, looks like little cells of components that get added on there.
Yep.
Your team's adding these to the motors and going down the line. So the manufacturing is happening right here, right now.
Yep.
I mean, when I first came here, I think it really wasn't quite ready for that. But like to see this in place, this isn't just staged. This is how manufacturing works. This is manufacturing in action right here in West Michigan.
Yep. Yeah, so it's set up as a lean manufacturing facility, right? So we build our engines. On the right side over there, you can see the engines that have just come off. The team is growing quickly. We've been adding people to our manufacturing team very frequently and getting that training, getting that repetition built up so that the quality is always top notch.
How about these carbon
Yeah.
components? Are these West Michigan made too? You know, because there is some of that in
Yeah.
West Michigan right now, and hopefully maybe you can make that happen, because
Yeah.
that is really kind of the next and upcoming thing where we see carbon in whether it's aircraft or automotive as it becomes more mainstream. I mean, West Michigan also a place to be for those kind of components.
Yeah, carbon fiber is great to have on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, motorcycles are very light and efficient. Right. I think what a lot of people don't realize is the miles per gallon and the efficiency of a motorcycle is is top notch. Part of what you see here is our street bikes from Buell, but what we do have in our 10-year plan is to get into other products that are outdoor products, right? Products that bring families together, to get out to enjoy nature, to get out into the woods. I mean, Michigan is, you know, is pure Michigan, right?
Yeah,
So
Second to
we
none.
do want to continue to design new products and bring other products into the market that help bring families together, bring communities together, groups together that get out and enjoy that.
And they're all beautiful.
They are gorgeous.
Yeah, this is the current bike. This is the Buell Hammerhead. It's the highest performance bike built in America. It's a V-twin, 185 horsepower, 1190 cc. We came out with a limited edition paint scheme to really show the Americana of this bike. We have
That's beautiful.
You know, we found some great suppliers for a lot of components on this here in West Michigan.
40th anniversary? Is that what
Yes,
it's-
this was the 40th anniversary bike. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So 2023 was the 40th anniversary. These were just finished at the end of last year. There is a lot of talent in Michigan, right? And the knowledge base in Michigan is unbelievable. Supply chain has been a challenge over the last, you know, as it started after COVID for us. We were just relaunching, right? So there's all kinds of fluctuations in supply chain. We're going out to suppliers that are all over the globe. And some of them are saying, we don't have staff, they don't have, they have too many orders from a larger company. So well, what do we do? We're reaching out to people in Michigan,
Yeah.
and they're like, you know what, we can help you guys out. And those are the kind of things that we wouldn't have been able to do that in Tennessee. We wouldn't have been able to do that in, you know, some other state.
You can say that louder.
Yeah. It wouldn't have happened if it wasn't in Michigan. And
Well,
and the engineers that are
Right,
here, and the
right.
people that you can tap into.
It's just amazing for me to hear those kind of stories because this is what results in this. More Michigan manufacturing.
Yeah.